How to schedule California DMV permit test online. To start, search Schedule California DMV permit test on Google and then click the first link. So in here, you will be redirected to dmv.ca.gov website. Here you will see the different steps on how to make an appointment. Click Driving Permit, and then you need to select a permit issue below to continue. Apply for instruction permit. And then here, select a permit type. So select learner's permit. So there's a note in here that says to apply for California instruction permit over age 18, you must, and the following details. So first, you need to complete the California driver's license or ID card application. So in here, you would see the different steps and click on Start Application. And then, after completing the ID card application, you need to visit a DMV office and schedule an appointment. So in here, you will select a location on which office you would like to visit. Click Select Location. You will see the available dates. Select any date that you want. Choose any time that you want. Then click on Confirm. You will be asked to enter your information, and that's it. So click Continue, and that's how to schedule a California DMV permit test online.